Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Juliet and on my channel I post fashion, beauty and lifestyle content. If any of this sounds interesting to you, please smash that subscribe button so you get notified each time I upload a new video. Today's video is a little bit different from what I normally do on this channel, but in today's video, I'll be showing you how to film and edit your videos for YouTube without losing the quality of the video. A lot of new creators film their content on their phones and they struggle with the quality of their content. Trust me, I've been there and I am going to be showing you everything I did to fix this problem. The first thing I did was to stop posting directly on the YouTube app. When I started my YouTube channel, I was posting directly through my YouTube app and I noticed the quality of my videos were very poor. So I spoke to some of my YouTube friends and family and I was advised to stop posting directly through my YouTube app and to post on my YouTube Creator Studio. And since I started posting through my YouTube Creator Studio, I discovered the quality of my videos came out better. If you're posting on the YouTube app, I think you should stop now because the YouTube Creator Studio is there for a reason, and that's where you should do all your posting and all your upload settings. The next thing I did was to stop filming with 4K by 60 frames per second, and I started filming with 4K by 30 frames per second. When filming, I also lock my exposure and my autofocus just to keep the exposure locked in because if you don't do this, the picture quality goes dark and light, and this is not very nice. The next thing I did was to start adding filters to my videos. I use CapCut to edit my videos and I find the filters on there very easy to use. And these filters really changed the game for me because they took the quality of my videos from 50 to 100. Before starting my YouTube journey, I had no idea on video editing. I only know there are apps you can use to edit video. For a beginner starting up a YouTube channel, I needed an app to edit my videos with, and so I decided to go with CapCut. And I find CapCut very easy to use. In the past week, I have had at least 4 people ask me how I edit my videos, and that makes me feel like I am doing something right. I will make a tutorial soon on how to do basic editing with CapCut. Another thing I did was sharpening my videos before exporting them. I never used to sharpen my videos. I just export them and I upload them to YouTube. But since I started sharpening my videos, I noticed a huge difference in the quality of my videos. Another very important thing is to adjust your aspect ratio. Every social media platform has an aspect ratio for their videos. For YouTube, it is 16:9. So always remember to adjust your aspect ratio as this will have a huge effect on the outcome of your video. Lastly, when I finish editing my videos on CapCut, I always export at 1080p. I think that stands for full high definition. I used to export at 4K and I discovered YouTube will reduce the quality of my video and the video quality will look horrible. Because I feel like when the quality of the video is too high for YouTube, YouTube will compress it to their own settings, which will make the quality of your video poor. I would also like to add that when I started editing my videos, I used to always try to color grade. Please note that color grading isn't for everyone, and if you don't understand it properly, don't use it. Just use the basic editing and these settings I have told you in this video, and I promise you will notice a huge difference in the quality of your video. We have come to the end of today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching and I hope you learned a thing or two. If you found this video very helpful, please give it a huge thumbs up. I will make a video on how to do basic edits on CapCut and I will post it on this channel soon. Stay tuned for that video. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I can't wait to see you in my next one.